In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade and blend text to background in Canva. First, open Canva and start with any design template that matches the size of your project. An Instagram post, a presentation slide, or a custom canvas will all work. To set up the effect, change the canvas background color to a solid black. This gives us high contrast and a clean base, which makes it easier to prepare the text we'll blend later. Add a text box to the canvas and type any word or short phrase you want to use. Change the font to a style that matches your design. Bold, sans serif fonts are excellent for strong, readable blends, while scripts and serifs can create a softer, more elegant look. If you like, tweak letter spacing and line height for a more custom feel. Resize the text by dragging the corner handles and use Canva's smart guides to position it precisely in the center. Those pink alignment lines will help you nail perfect centering. Now download the text as a PNG. In the download panel, choose PNG and enable transparent background so the black setup background doesn't export with your text. Click download to save it. If the transparent option isn't available, check that your plan supports it. For extra crisp edges, consider increasing the size in the download settings. Back in the same design, clear the previous edits to get a fresh canvas. Open the Uploads panel, bring in a new image to use as your background, and resize it so it fills the entire canvas edge to edge. Drag it until it snaps into place. Next, upload and insert the PNG text you just downloaded. Because it has a transparent background, it will sit cleanly on top of your image. Resize and reposition the text until it feels balanced with the photo's focal point. If the text feels too dominant, you can slightly reduce its opacity before blending for a softer start. To create the fade, open the Apps panel in Canva, search for Image Blender, and open it. Choose the linear option to apply a directional fade. You'll see on-canvas dots or handles that control the gradient. Drag these to define where the fade starts and ends, and rotate them to match the direction of light or movement in your photo. Then adjust the strength slider to set how pronounced the blend is. Lower values for subtle integration, higher values for a dramatic dissolve. Take a moment to zoom in and fine-tune edges. When you're happy with the result, click Save, and that's it. Your text now fades smoothly into the background, giving your design a polished, professional finish.